Yo, what's good, YouTube? I just got to the auto parts. I'm gonna be doing an oil change to the EM2 today. Because I'm like 300 miles past the limit, and I need to do it. So I'm about to go in there, I have oil, but I need more, so I'm gonna get more oil, and then a filter. So let's go get that. I'll be right back with it, and yeah. Alright, YouTube, so I got the stuff. I have let me open the trunk, because I got the filter, I have the oil, and yeah. I got the good stuff too. Let me show you. You know what I'm saying? A Castro. Full synthetic, you know? Alright. It's 7 o'clock, so I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible. I don't want it to get dark. It gets dark in like an hour, maybe hour and a half if I get lucky. So yeah, look, I got this stuff too. That's the filter, the funnel. I didn't have that, and I also needed the bucket that I didn't have. Fuck. Wait, is this empty? I can put the oil here. The old one. I mean, fuck. I think there's a lot of antifreeze in there still, but hey, we'll figure it out, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the oil. I just need to do the oil change and the filter. So now that I got that stuff out, let's get the jack with the towers and stuff. Let's get that out. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to move the car, cause look, I have this much space. I didn't think about that, but let me just think about this for a second and come back, cause shit, now I need to figure this out. What's the YouTube? Yo, so it's been like 24 hours, and I finally moved the car. Yeah, it took me that long. It's not 24 hours or less, I don't fucking know. And now, look at his wheels. So sexy. Anyway. Now, we're gonna get started. So let's do it. I'm about to take all this shit out. I'm about to fucking jack the car up, and you about to see it. You about to see his oil change. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. There's a pressure wash machine behind the scenes, but I don't give a fuck. You see that shit? Over there. Anyways, let's do it. Alright, y'all, so this is the setup I got going on, because, look, I don't have a low profile jack at the moment. I'm still getting my tools settled. I have everything that I need to do what I came to do, but not really. I mean, this can work, but I need a low profile jack. So, if you lower your car, you do your oil change, or you like to get under your car, buy a low profile jack, so you know you're able to do things easy. So let's get into it. Just let me know if it's bending. Okay. Does it look like it's bending?
Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go ahead. Everything is good. Go. It doesn't matter.
Alright, y'all, so we got the first tower on. Now we're going to the next side. You want me to do it? I have to go.
Go for it.
A little bit more. There you go. Thank you.
That's fine?
I think so, yeah. I mean, let me get down there. Let's see. Let's take this shit off. Alright, y'all. About to do this. Woo!
You got it?
Yes, sir. Gotta be careful with the pan. There you go, y'all. Alright, so before you put, I already took out my filter and I already took out my oil. Bomb. If you don't have a fucking filter remover, stick a fucking flathead driver in there. Bop! Twist it. If you don't have space, stick it somewhere else. Bop! Twist it again. Bop! And that shit will come out, bro. That's why you hand tie your filter. Not too tight, but like just right, you know what I mean? So I took my shit out, my oil. I took my filter out. Before putting the new filter on, I'm bleeding, but I'm good. Before putting the new filter on, you wanna grab some oil. That brand new oil that you just bought. Bop. You stick your finger in there. Bop. And you rub it. You gotta lube the filter, you know what I mean? You gotta make sure your oil pan has the bolt on it too. Make sure that all of that gets done. So let's go down there. My fault, yeah. So yeah, once that's tight, I wanted to show you guys how I put the filter. So here you go. This filter goes. Got the rag. There. Before you put the oil, bam, you need to lower the car. Bam. So let's do that.